Welcome to Photio Studio for product photos. Today, we're going to try removing the background from product photos. Log in and click Remove Background on the dashboard. Upload a well-taken product photo. It may take up to 7 seconds depending on your network. The background has been removed and transferred to the canvas. If it's not completely removed, click on the product and use the Retouch button on the right to make adjustments. Before removing the background, the image is displayed. On the right, there are tabs for erasing or filling the background, with sub-items like brush mode settings. Adjust the brush size as needed. In restore mode, painting preserves the desired part, while erase mode removes it. Let's try editing with the pen this time. It's useful for products with straight lines. Click on the corners, then click on the same corners again to fill the area. Made a mistake? Don't worry. You can also undo it with the undo button. Once editing is complete, click the Confirm button. You can see the applied changes on the canvas. Ready to download? Choose the file extension, decide on watermark preference, and then download the photo. Get all the product photos you want from Photio.